Let's take in this jeans waist at the back seam. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Alter your own clothes and save a bundle. Here's the fast version how, so you can get a quick overview. Detailed version link in the description below. That's right, nobody likes waists that don't fit on their jeans. No more waist gap for us. We do so by spreading whatever that amount is evenly over the center back seam. So let's say 2 inches needs to come out. Mark 1 inch on either side of that belt loop and then draw a pie piece on down, including 1/4 inch seam allowance. Be sure to only cut on the seam allowance line. Cut out the excess. Place right sides together. You can see that this pair of jeans is lined with that really fun plaid. Place those right sides together, trying to match up that yoke just as perfectly as possible. Pin well, and run a seam. Check it. Ooh, it does look good, doesn't it? So go back and zigzag the edge of that seam. From the top side, you will top stitch like this. Wrestle your machine right on over that yoke hump. It won't be easy, but if you've got a leather or jeans needle and have the machine that can withstand this, you can do it. Run the second line, buzz it on through, and there it is. Looks good. Now to contend with putting that waistband back, well, place right sides together again. Just wrestle it all into place. Run the seam, check it, then snap it back into place, and you're going to top stitch that waistband over the pants seam like that. Then top stitch on the belt loop. You're done. This is 1 out of 3 possible ways to take in the waist on your jeans. For some of you, this quick version will be enough demonstration to run with. Otherwise, check out the link in the description below for the detailed version.